Welcome to KEBS. In this video, we'll walk you through the seamless workflow of creating and managing a fixed bid project with bi-monthly and defined milestone billing in KEBS. We'll walk through its entire lifecycle, from account creation to opportunity setup, quote building, project execution, accruals, invoicing, and collections. In this fixed bid bi-monthly billing scenario, the effort is planned on a milestone basis. In this example, one position is planned under each of the 4 milestones. Invoicing is carried out on a bi-monthly basis, where a fixed amount is invoiced every 2 months, regardless of the work completed during that period. Once you log into KEBS by entering your credentials, you will land on the KEBS homepage. From here, navigate to the More Apps menu and select Accounts to access all account details. Click on the global Create icon to create a new account, fill in the necessary details, and once done, click Save. Your new account is now created. Select the account to view all relevant details. Within the selected account, click Create Opportunity and complete the form by entering the required details. For this example, we'll create a fixed bid type opportunity. After creating the opportunity, select it to access the Opportunity Overview page. Switch to the Quote tab to start building the quotation plan for your project. KEBS allows you to either create a new quotation or import one. For this example, we'll create a quotation featuring 4 positions: Data Scientist, Supply Chain Analyst, Operations Research Analyst, Cloud DevOps Engineer. These positions are associated with 4 project milestones. Project Milestone 1 15 hours. Project Milestone 2 20 hours. Project Milestone 3 15 hours. Project Milestone 4 25 hours. Each position is planned at a common rate of $1,000 per hour with a cost of $600 per hour. In KEBS fixed bid scenario, you can include milestones directly from the quotation. Choose predefined milestones or create new ones and tag positions accordingly. You have the flexibility to set the time duration for each position. Additional customizable fields like entity, division, location, and expertise can also be enabled to meet your business needs. You can even capture time slots for positions weekly. Once everything is set, click Save. Now, move the opportunity to the proposal stage. At this stage, activate the quote to initiate the approval process. Once approved, the quote becomes active. With all contracts and documents in place, transition the opportunity to the closed as one state. KEBS simplifies project creation with a single click by seamlessly importing all details from the opportunity. Navigate to the project to land on the project overview page. Next, move to the planning board, where project planning becomes effortless with advanced inbuilt features. Here, you can adapt plans seamlessly from predefined templates, estimate hours for your tasks, and create multiple baselines to suit your project needs. Once you've finalized your plan, send it for approval to activate your baseline. The approved baseline becomes your active baseline, which you can monitor continuously as your project progresses. Additionally, the planning board provides critical path monitoring, keeping you informed about tasks that are essential to your project's success and timeline. Start planning your billing cycle by going to the Allocation and Planning tab. Access the dedicated billing plan page by clicking on Create, and then the milestones planned in the quotation are listed. Expand a milestone to view the associated positions and hours planned, all seamlessly imported from the quotation. If necessary, edit the monthly hours for each position. When ready, click Forecast to generate milestones for the planned months. Repeat this for all milestones to automatically create them in the billing page. These are the project milestones where you recognize the revenue for the work you do. In this example, as we saw prior, we planned for 3 billing milestones at a 2-month gap for about $25,000 each. In KEBS, you are allowed to create separate billing milestones. As this is a bi-monthly billing project, we create billing milestones every 2 months as fixed type milestones, which are not recognized as revenue but are used for billing purposes. Once the project enters the execution phase, assign team members by either directly allocating resources or raising a request to the resource management team for specific skills. After resources are allocated, plan tasks and assign them to the appropriate resources. Team members can book timesheets for these tasks. When it comes to the accruing process, in this example, we will recognize revenue only for project milestone 1 in October by recording 10 out of the 15 hours worked for the data scientist position, valued at $10,000. The remaining 5 hours, along with the hours for other positions, will remain unused. In the month of November, when reviewing the Excel sheet, project milestone 1 shows accrued hours of 10, which is 5 hours over the planned effort. An additional effort of 5 hours is recorded for future work, revising the plan from 15 to 25 hours. The cumulative revenue recognized for this milestone will now be 20 hours, with $2,000 recognized for the month. In KEBS, revised hourly rates are automatically adjusted without affecting the milestone's total value. With KEBS, by handling the current month's actuals and additional effort entries, you can seamlessly view actuals accrued till date, future efforts, quote position value, revised per hour rate, baseline planned effort, revenue till date, future revenue, total revenue, current month per hour rate. Additionally, you can add comments to the milestones for better collaboration and transparency. For project milestone 2, 10 hours are accrued for November, with an additional effort of -5 hours, revising the planned hours from 20 to 15. The revenue recognized for this milestone is $13,333. Similarly, for project milestone 3, the hours are reduced by -5, revising the planned hours from 15 to 10. The revenue recognized for this milestone is $3,000. At the end of the period, the total actual revenue accrued for the project to date is $28,333. As the 2-month period concludes, the billing cycle begins. A milestone of $25,000 is scheduled to be invoiced. This can be processed further in the invoice application with a single click. Additionally, this invoice can be directly emailed to the customer from KEBS, with the option to attach the invoice document for reference. KEBS seamlessly handles your bi-monthly milestone billing process without affecting your project milestones. In a fixed bid defined milestone scenario, the entire process from account creation to project milestone accruals remains the same. However, the billing milestone is created and billed only at the completion of the project milestone. For reference, KEBS seamlessly allows you to attach tasks as dependencies to your project milestones and capture time against multiple tasks in the timesheet, ensuring that you can bill for the work done. In this example, project milestone 3 is fully recognized in November, while the other 3 milestones are fully recognized only in December. So, the billing milestone starts only in November. As project milestone 3 is completed in November, a billing milestone be sent to invoice for the revenue recognized. Similarly, in December, once project milestone 1, project milestone 2, and project milestone 4 are completed, separate billing milestones sent to invoice for the revenue recognized. This streamlined process enables accurate tracking and billing based on actual progress, reducing the risk of over or under billing. With KEBS Fixed Bid, achieve accurate revenue recognition, flexible billing, transparent tracking, streamlined invoicing, and error-free processes, supported by over 100 reports and dashboards for complete project visibility, along with dedicated collection application. Why wait? Contact us today to streamline your project management and billing process.